There are places that don't just offer you a place to sleep, but invite you to step into a story. The Grand Floridian isn't just Disney's flagship resort, it's a love letter to Victorian elegance, a quiet rebellion against the rush of theme parks, and a sanctuary of white balconies, polished marble, and champagne at sunset. Here, chandeliers gleam, cast members greet you with real warmth, and the air hums with the kind of nostalgia that feels just like it's always been waiting for you. For all its beauty, does it make sense for your trip? Today, I'm walking you through everything: the rooms, the food, the pools, and the quiet magic that makes this place so unforgettable. Set on the edge of the Seven Seas Lagoon, the Grand Floridian looks directly across the water to Cinderella's castle. Your one monorail stop, or a 10-minute walk from the gates of Magic Kingdom. The property feels like a grand estate. The main building houses its famous lobby and lounges, while the outer buildings and villas are quietly tucked among the palm trees and gardens. It's peaceful, but never far from the magic. Dining here is elevated but approachable. Gasparilla Island Grill is simple but satisfying, perfect for breakfast on the go, and easy to mobile order. Grand Floridian Cafe feels like a secret, warm, easy, quiet, indulgent. Narcoossee's is tucked along the Seven Seas Lagoon with stunning waterfront views and top-tier seafood. Citricos glows with soft light and coastal flavors under a Mary Poppins theme. Victoria and Albert's is art on a plate, prix fixe, world class, and unforgettable. Enchanted Rose is moody, golden, and made for quiet conversations over amazing handcrafted cocktails. I highly recommend 1900 Park Fair. It's a character dining. It's like you've stepped back into a storybook whimsy. Headed to Disney? Save time planning your vacation with this all-in-one complete digital hyperlinked guide. All of the parks, resorts, lightning lane information, all the info you need is in this digital guide. No need to print it out, take it with you on your tablet or phone to go. My YouTube viewers get a special discount. Use YouTube at checkout. You'll find two pools: the beach pool, playful and lively, and the courtyard pool, calm and still. The Grand Floridian holds a special place in my heart. It was my very first Disney resort ever in 2019, and actually my very first visit to Disney World. After my first visit, I couldn't wait to get back, and it's wild because now I live here and I can see this resort anytime I want. The Alice in Wonderland splash pad brings joy to little ones, while the spa and salon offer peace for anyone who needs a moment of stillness. And when the sun sets and the fireworks reflect off the lagoon like glass, it's magical. You can sit out on the dock like we did and listen to the music stream right to the dock. It's beautiful. As far as transportation, Magic Kingdom is just a heartbeat away. Walk there in 10 minutes, ride the monorail, it's only one stop away, and glide in like royalty, or take a boat across the water as the castle grows closer and closer with every ripple. Epcot is only a monorail transfer away. Buses will take you to Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios, only about a 20-minute ride away. But honestly, you stay here to be near the castle, and that's the magic. Just steps away from the lobby, you'll find a collection of boutiques, from classic Disney souvenirs to upscale clothing, jewelry, and spa goods, it's shopping with a touch of charm and a hint of indulgence. At the end of this video, you're going to see 4 room tours. The rooms are newly reimagined, bright, graceful, and quietly themed. Mary Poppins leaves her mark in the art, the colors, and the details you notice only when you slow down and take a look. You'll find standard rooms, club level service, and DVC villas, each designed for comfort without losing the charm. For easiest access to the lobby, monorail, and the pools, request Big Pine Key or Boca Chica. The DVC villas are serene and self-contained with their own entrance and lounge. The Grand Floridian is Disney's heartbeat. It's soft piano music, drifting through an open-air lobby. It's a cast member calling your child princess and meaning it. It's a place where generations come together in Mickey ears and feel the magic. This resort is more than just luxury. It's nostalgia, elegance, and storytelling and architecture. And while it looks grand, and it really is, it doesn't feel stuffy. This is a resort where everyone's welcome. Whether you're in flip-flops, formal wear, the magic meets you where you are. Before I show you the rooms, let's talk about the cost. Because luxury has its cost. Off-peak, you're going to see more like a $720 and $850 per night for the standard rooms. And peak holiday weeks for those same rooms, you might see them upwards to $1,400 a night. I know it's not for everyone, but if it's a honeymoon, a celebration, or your first visit to the castle like it was our family's, it might just be perfect. Waking up to the Seven Seas Lagoon and Cinderella's castle in the distance, this waterview room delivers the Disney dream, beautifully framed. This deluxe studio offers just enough space with subtle elegance, ideal for couples or solo travelers wanting a taste of the grand style. Perfect for small families or couples, the one bedroom villa blends comfort, privacy, and just the right amount of Disney charm. Spacious and refined, this two-bedroom villa feels like a private residence, with room for the whole family and luxury in every detail. Until next time, when the monorail glides in and the music plays just for you, because once you've stayed here, you never really leave the Grand. It becomes your home away from home. And just like that, another chapter closes. I hope the next one brings you closer to your extraordinary vacation.